Just some croissants, waffle, and coffee and tea. Okay, I don't expect much from the breakfast, just a simple one. Good morning, today is Wednesday. We are going for a self-walking tour around the West Hastings Street. So this is coming out from our hotel at the corner. Yeah, I'm walking towards West Hastings. Okay, West Hastings, we are going to turn right. Okay, we're still heading towards East Hastings Street. Straight down. Okay, we have arrived at the first attraction. So it's at after the junction of Seymour Street. So we're just going to walk straight towards the east of Hastings Street. Okay, so to the Vancouver Lookout is right behind me. That's where the ticket booth is. We came down from the escalator behind, but we don't think $24 is worth to go up there just to look around the city sites of Vancouver. So we just shop in this shop. Okay, along Richard Street is where we are. So we're just gonna walk down to the museum. So we just came out from Vancouver Lookout. We didn't manage to go since it's so X. Okay, now we are on this art street. You can see there are a lot of street arts. Even the buildings are so artistic, especially this triangle one. We reached the guest town area where we have the steam clock in front of us. Yeah, you can see the steam coming out from the clock. It's powered by steam. Instead of wasting the steam that is used for generating heat, they use the steam to power the clock. I can even have a whistle. So we have covered the first stage of guest town. We're now going to the second part, which is the old spaghetti factory restaurant. Okay, we are here at the old spaghetti factory restaurant. So this is the factory where they make spaghetti, used to, and this is the restaurant. Okay, let's look at some of the menu. Ooh, nice. Okay, that's the spaghetti factory, and then at this junction here there is this unique triangle building. We are here now at the Maple Tree Square. Opposite there is the Hotel Europe. So this square is famous because of the early settlement called Granville. It was once in the 18th century or maybe earlier. A lot of tour groups here. I think they have a tour guide to help the tourists by explaining to them what this place means. Okay, you're here at the Clint Eastwood shopping of Clint Eastwood building. Ooh, look. Looks like a hotel, right? It's an apartment. So we're walking this direction. Okay, right at the junction here is Victory Square, at the junction of Hastings and Cambie Street. So we're just going to walk to the other side of the park and then walk straight up. Okay, this is another view of the Victory Square. We have reached the cathedral from Richard Street to Dunmore Street. But just from the outside. This is the Cathedral Square. Wow, look, there's a concert hall, I think, opposite the cathedral. This is the tower that we're supposed to go up, $24 per person. Okay, but anyway, behind me is the cathedral. Okay, we're at the square, Cathedral Square. Okay, now we are at the junction of Richard Street and West Georgia Street. So this is the booth. We are heading to the Colosseum. Far, just here. Yeah, right there. Okay, we have arrived at the Colosseum. Basically, it's just a circle building. And then further down is the stadium. Okay, that ends our walk. So we're going to the farmers market now. Okay, go to the stadium now. Okay, this is our last stop. Radio Canada and the stadium. Okay, and then this interlace style of building here. Can you see? Interlace like that in Singapore. I don't know what is it called, but it's quite. Oh, no, I'm talking about this interlace building. Okay, we are walking towards the farmers market, which opens only on Wednesdays between 2 to 6. So now we are walking along West Georgia Street towards the west. Okay, we passed the city center station. So we are still at West Georgia, heading towards the Howie Street. This direction. Towards the farmers market downtown. Okay, we arrived at the farmers market downtown. So there it is. At this junction, you can see there are a couple of fresh food trucks selling food and a lot of other stuff. So there you have it, farmers market selling their local products. And there is even a band up there. Okay, we found a music shop here called Tom Lee. Same brand as the one in Hong Kong. Okay, it's quite isolated one. Quiet place. Okay, me enjoying a simple meal at the city market. Yeah, everything is $11 for this and $14 for this. Okay, bon appetit.